Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. We got ourselves another Super73 RX now. Just 5 minutes ago, I just purchased it from a guy. We're all the way in Oxnard, really far. And we're just kind of, I don't know, exploring the area. Really cold day, cloudy and windy. We're by the ocean. So this is going to be a Project Super73 RX bike actually. There's some issue in it. I'm most likely certain that it's the controller. It cuts off here and there. So I just bought it from a guy who didn't really want to fix it up. And it just cuts off like, ever so often. When it's going over 30 miles per hour, it just cuts off. It's in great condition, really kind of mint. There's only like one scuff on it. He's probably used it only like 120 miles. I've always been a fan of the gray version. Gray is one of my favorite colors. If I can kind of somehow take out these neon colors, that would be preference. But since I have a spare controller, the plan is definitely swap out the controller, see if that works, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to convert this to a 72 volt. I kind of remember this Oxnard part. Looks pretty nice. I wish I had a jacket so I can kind of explore more, but I'm from LA, so I'm still kind of, on the cold side. From what he was explaining to me is he didn't do anything. It's just one day it just stopped working. So it's most likely like the torque update. I'm almost sure. Look at all these nice views. I remember how nice Oxnard was. I think I've been here when I was a kid. Our aunt used to take us around here. But I'm just going to be stopping and taking more pictures. The only reason why I bought this bike, since even though it's not fully functioning, is because we're going to be going to the Trona Pinnacles next month, and I wanted another fat tire for Crystal. So we're probably going to be taking both of our Super 73. I have the red RX, and she's going to be probably using this one. So something that you can ride on the sand or on dirt trails, because Crystal really loves riding on sand. Speaking of that, let's see if we could kind of get close. We're in Oxnard State Beach Park. Let's see if we could kind of get close and see what's popping here. I wonder if I can ride on sand. I wonder. Let's try. I can't get that far. I need to get closer to the water. Come on. Come on. We can kind of scoot on by. Kind of, sort of. I just need a little momentum. And just a little bit closer to the water. Come on, bike. Oh, by the way, I'm only like at 40%, not even like 30% charged. That would have helped if I had more charge. Alright, but we're closer to the water. By the seagulls. I didn't see anything about no biking. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Heck yeah. This is what Crystal would have loved. Biking by the ocean. So I was going to get a Rev 1 bike or this Black Cross E-Bike, but that is not going to be released till July-ish. I'm very happy that, I saw this deal on OfferUp. We've already had success converting our red RX to 72 volts, and that's kind of like exactly what we're gonna do with this one. Alright, by the way, let's just stop and take a picture. If we can. If I could even... I can't even prop it. It's too windy. Crystal's gonna be jealous when she sees me doing this. Folks that live by the beach are always generally happier than city folks. They have so much recreational activities and open space versus the city hustle and bustle environment. Alright, so I gotta check this out. The other issue here is it's not catching my odometer and the speed. So that's what we're gonna check out, why that is. And I'm pretty sure it's like the controller issue. I'm the only one biking here. I'm probably gonna do this at 72 volts. So stay tuned for that. Man, Oxnard is really nice. Again, I wish I had more time here. But I'm gonna be dipping out. I'm gonna grab some pizza toppers here. That's where I met the guy, and that's where I bought this e-bike, literally just like a mile away. But that's going to be it on today's quick vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your Super73, arielrider, or DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. Another one in the collection. I really need to sell some bikes.